Now come to the next type of potential energy, that is gravitational potential energy. And gravitational potential energy is the energy possessed by a body due to change in its position under gravity. Okay, so gravity is the force exerted by the earth on the body. Okay, so under gravity, when a body changes its position, then the body has gravitational potential energy. Okay, as example, consider there is a body resting on the ground. Okay, this is the body or the block resting on the ground or on the earth's surface, say at point A. Okay, now a force is applied on the body to move the body in vertically upward direction. Okay, say that under the action of the force F, okay, the body gets displaced in vertically upward direction and reaches at point B. Okay, so the body changes its position from A to B under gravity. Okay, because there is a gravitational force acting on the body during the shifting. Okay, so this change in position take place under gravity. It means the body at point B has gravitational potential energy. Okay, so this body, the block at point B, has gravitational potential energy. Okay, now the question is, how much potential energy the block has at point B? Okay, so there is an expression, okay, mathematical expression for the gravitational potential energy. Okay, and that is the gravitational potential energy U is equals to M, means the mass of the block, G, acceleration due to gravity of the earth, and H. H is the vertical height up to which the body is raised. Okay, consider if H is the vertical height up to which the block is raised. So this vertical height is H here, okay, in the expression. So this is the gravitational potential energy of the body at point B. Okay, one thing is to be remember that H is the vertical height. Okay, it is not a slant height, it is vertical height. Okay, so this is the expression, and this potential energy is in joule. Okay, and g is the acceleration due to gravity, and on the earth the value of g is 9.8 meter per second squared, and m is the mass of the body. Okay, note it down.